Well, I didn't get any video yesterday because I messed my phone up, but I got the bottom of the creek bed leveled out. I got a little bit of a slope to it, and then I put some gravel in. I put the plastic culvert pipe in, and I started putting in some gravel. This is probably, I would say, pretty close to 10 foot wide where it's washed out, and it's about 6 foot deep, so I'm gonna have a lot of filling to do. I don't know how many trips I made yesterday, but that's as far as I got right there. And I got a load here I'm gonna dump. Alright, I'll go get another load. Well, I think I'm gonna call it quits there for today. Those are 20 foot pieces of pipe. That's 2 foot. Before there was only one pipe here, so I'm hoping putting 2 pipes will help prevent any more washouts. But that's what I got. That's where I'm stopping for today. Okay, this is what I've got done. I've got enough on here where I can walk across now. Still got a few more loads before I can drive the tractor across. Need to get some big rocks and put down here, and then on the other side also. But I'm gonna stop for lunch, leave the tractor right here, and walk up to the house. Well, I ain't quite through, but I do believe I got it good enough I can drive the tractor across. Let's see how it goes. Make it up to the hill and to the house. There it is. I got it done. Took me about a week, but it was washed out from there all the way to this side. All that was just a big gully. So I got those I've got 2 of the 2 foot sluice pipe, and they're 20 foot long, so looks pretty good. Hope it'll last.